Siddaramaiah will hold state-level Janaspandana on February 8th in front of Vidhana Soudha to address the grievances of the citizens. Since this is the second time, special arrangements have been made with separate stalls for each department along with nodal officers. There will also be separate special seating arrangements for the physically disabled, expectant mothers and senior citizens. In the first Janaspandana, over 3,800 grievances were received related to various issues from financial assistance, housing, pension and employment related difficulties among others.